My name is Mwesigwa Gift. I do Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering. I'm going to take you through how to terminate straight through Ethernet cable and crossover Ethernet cable. Straight through Ethernet cable uses T568B, while crossover Ethernet cable uses T568B on one end and T568A on the other end. So I'm going to show you how to cut the cable first, then how to
simple.
Jamu.
That would work. Here I'm untwisting the wires. We have to straighten the wires. For straight through Ethernet cable, we start with orange white. Start with orange white, then orange, then we go to green white. Here. Make sure that they are straight. And then we go to blue. Go to blue white. Instead white blue. Then we go to green. We go to brown white. Then we go to brown. In that order. Then we make sure that they are straight, and we bring them together. Bring them together. Sure that the order is not interchanged. Straighten them in their order. The colors, we make sure we insert them inside. We tighten. So we remove it and we do the same on the other end. That's for straight through Ethernet cable. So after cutting on the other end, we untwist. Have to untwist and arrange the same way for straight through Ethernet cable. So we also arrange in the same way. That's orange first, then we have orange white. We have orange white first. We have orange, then we have green white. We have blue. We have white blue. Next, then we have green next. We have so that's with orange white. We have orange. We have green white. We do have blue. Then we have white blue. For crossover, it uses T568B and T568A. So since we have done T568B on the other end, we are going to cross over Ethernet cable, and since we have already done T568B on one end, now we are going to do T568A on the other end. And T568A, the order is always we have green white. We start with green white. Green white here. So we have green as the next color. We have aura white, orange white, have orange white. Then we have blue. We have blue white next. Blue, then we have blue white as next. Then we have orange. We have brown white. So that's the order for T568A. So maintaining the order we put in, so we put in, then we put into our creeping tool, then we put into the creeping tool, then we tighten and we remove. And this is the crossover Ethernet cable. Yeah, that's it.